Hello everyone. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use access switches with Google Chrome, specifically on a Chromebook. You can utilize a lot of different things now, but one of the new accessibility features is access switches. And how to turn that on is very similar in the same area as my other tutorials. It's in the accessibility menu. Just get there from clicking on the clock in the bottom right hand corner of your task tray in Chrome. Go to accessibility. You can either click on the icon or click the arrow underneath it. And we're going to turn on switch access. Once you enable switch access, it's going to actually open the settings menu, take you right to where that should be. Now we'll notice the first action, I've actually paired this in my testing. Once it is paired as the select portion, you can't unpair it because something has to be paired for select. That way you can always choose an option or unchoose an option. So once that's paired, it's pretty set. Now you can assign other things to it. So if I click on select and I press the red switch that I have on the menu from the Help Kids Learn particular brand of switches, I have this set as the space. And you'll notice when I press the red button, space shows up in the menu. If I press it again, that will confirm it in this menu. Same thing to remove a switch. So press it once, it shows the red X. Press it again and it removes it. Again, if I try to remove the enter for select, I can't remove the only switch assigned to select. So I can add things, I just can't remove that last one. But one of the really important features for these accessibility switches is the ability to auto scan. So if you select auto scan, it's going to move the cursor down the page, selecting all the different things that I can interact with. When I get to what I want to interact with, I can press the enter button. So now I can assign another switch. Once it gets to highlight where I want it to be, I press spacebar. So this is really great for decreased mobility and things like that, so they can keep continuously scrolling down the page. If this is on a website with a lot of graphics and stuff, it is going to move over each graphic, so you can change the scanning speed as well as the point scanning speed. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off right now. That is really it as far as the basic tutorial goes. Again, this is a Help Kids Learn access switch module. It is USB powered, so you plug it into your device, you press the pair button, you press the pair button on the bottom of each switch. You can switch modes using the M button, so you can change these between game pads, left and right click, and things like that. But then you can specify in Chrome what you want that to do. If you do have any questions about this functionality or you need to see something specific, please let me know, and I'll do my best to help you. Have a great day.